Working with text is a key skill to learn. Finding the right font among Canva's many options can be hard for beginners. In this video, I'll share tips for finding fonts and working with text in Canva. Alright, let's start by adding text to your design in two ways. First, go to the Text tab. From there, click the purple button to add a text box. You can also pick from the default text styles. Free users can't customize these styles, but pro users can through the brand kit. The second way is a shortcut. Press the T key. This makes a text box like the last one you made. So there are two easy ways to add a text box. Next, I want to show you how to make font combinations in Canva. Canva has resources to help you create these combinations. Click the Text tab in the Object panel and scroll down. You'll see font combinations that are ready to use. Some are free and some are for paid plans. Some have effects, while others are black and white. These combinations can be helpful. Thank you for watching. Check out my channel and subscribe to learn more about Canva.